Hello friends, in this lecture we will see next operation, and that is contour area. So we will see contour area. We use contour area to finish any selected surface, and here we have to specify the surface where you want to create the tool path, and we can create at any surface which we have selected, that may be steep or non-steep we can use. So let's say this, and before this I'm going to define a tool. So for finishing, I'm going to use a tool, a ball mill, and point 2 is the diameter, float length and length. Okay, and the tool number is 1, 1 and 1. Okay, now I'm not defining the workpiece directly, I'm going to generate under this MCS wheel. So select this contour area, and program is my folder, and ball mill is my tool, and make this MCS as a geometry, and here it is finished. Okay, so here we have this steep and non-steep. By default this option we have here, and geometry. So first I'm going to this geometry, and here my geometry is this. Okay, and from the main, this containment is steep and non-steep, so it will generate toolpath for steep and non-steep both type of surface. And let's generate it. Part geometry is not specified, so from the geometry I'm going to define my part. So this is the part, because we are not doing with this workpiece, so we have to specify our part. So without the blank we can generate, but we need to define this part. So this is the way. Here according to that it is creating the tool path, and for this cutting I'm using this zigzag as a cut pattern. Now generate, and same I'm doing with this zigzag for steep area. These options are for steep cutting, and these upper options are for non-steep. Okay, here it is step over is 10, and same here I'm using 10 for the steep area. And here is the angle. For the angle it is using automatically option for this. Okay, and if I want to generate a region, so go to this geometry, and here cut region, and create cut region. So two cut region will generate. Okay, and generate it again. So the steep angle is 60 degree. So according to steep, first it is going to define this steep first. So toolpath will generate for the steep area first, and let's say first it will start from the steep. Okay, and after that it will go for the non-steep. And if you want to change it, so we can change this by top down level first or depth first. We have the option, and zigzag we have already taken, and the 10 is my step over, and the direction is automatic. So generate, So next option we will see in next tutorial.